Lawyers for Carroll ISD were in court today arguing against a new Biden administration policy. The lawsuit says changes to the Title IX civil rights law attacks the rights of girls in the district. Fox 4's Dion Anglin joins us now with those details. Dion.
Hi there, Heather. Federal court proceeding. No cameras allowed inside. It lasted more than 2 hours. The attorneys for Carroll ISD laid out the district's argument. The judge listened to each side and then asked both sides numerous questions.
A federal courtroom in downtown Fort Worth is the venue for the latest legal maneuvers involving Carroll ISD. The school district, known for its high athletic achievements, argued its case in what is believed the first lawsuit in the country suing the Biden administration over looming Title IX changes, which are set to extend protections for LGBTQ students.
This lawsuit is about protecting our daughters and girls from boys accessing their bathrooms and locker rooms and competing on their athletic teams.
The U.S. Department of Education has said the updates ban discrimination based on sexual orientation and gender identity. Carroll ISD's attorneys say the new rules would allow boys who simply choose to identify as female to compete against girls, which is an unfair advantage. They also say it would present safety concerns and mental trauma. In court, the school district's attorney told Judge Reed O'Connor there are instances of harm caused when a female has to undress and change clothes next to a biological male. The Department of Education's attorney said the new Title IX rules do not compromise privacy.
There's a Texas law that prohibits competition of inconsistent with sex in athletic teams. What Title IX, if it goes into effect, it would require the school, Texas couldn't enforce that law basically if this were to go into effect. So currently that's not an issue, but it could be in the future.
The district also argued the changes would be extremely costly, as potentially it would need to retrain its 1,200 employees to comply with the new rules. The district also says it would likely have to reconstruct restrooms and other facilities.
Without this lawsuit, the school district would run the risk that it would have to implement policies that violate the rights, protections, and safety of its students and staff. We are not willing to take that risk.
Now, the Title IX changes are set to take effect August 1st. Carroll ISD is hoping that the judge will return a ruling that prevents them from taking effect.